Okay, we bailed out on the Llama C++. We are not doing that anymore. And now we are giving very generic instructions. We are not really telling them that Hermes do this or OpenClaw do this. I'll give this to both of them. Let's see what happens. This is Hermes. Okay, but I want to observe what this one is doing. I'm not really very confident. Okay. Uh, so it's going to explore the code base. It has understood that it needs to explore the code base, and it also has I think it's going ahead and logging whatever has been 20 files across a ROS project. Okay, let me log, and each subject gets a focus. Okay, so dispatching subagent shell scripts, subagent to control launch logic. Okay, package structure. Okay, so it has logically split the tasks. Okay, it is saying shell scripts control plus launch logic. So it understands that uh, it's a ROS project and there are shell scripts and there's launch logic and everything. We're going ahead and split. Okay, now dispatching the team, all three in parallel. Okay, all three delegated tasks going on. Okay, so there is something called delegate tasks. I think it's a tool or something that it has, right? Or a skill, tool or a skill, something is there that it is using, and it's going on for what 40 seconds now almost. Okay, this thing was at 2%, now it's at 3%. Then message interrupt, queue, steer. I think that okay, we'll hold on for another second here, but quickly go to the okay. So I trust this guy. I think I can simply just go back and come back here. So this one's going on 1 minute 23 seconds. It is still delegating some task. It's doing something. Okay, it is saying package structure files in what is it, HOM? I don't know, maybe home directory. I don't know. Delegate separate tasks. Okay, display. What is this? Progress display modes. Choose once for a while. Okay, that tool ran for a while. It is saying use verbose to cycle tool progress. Display modes. Okay, let's take a screenshot of this for later reference. We don't know this thing so well. Now what happened? Stopped. Array. Achha, it's saying all three subagents delivered. Now let me log and compile the full. Okay, fine, whatever. What is this guy up to? Waiting approval. See, this guy is waiting for approval. It has written the plan, and now it is waiting for approval. And this is what he's given. Look, how nicely he's gone ahead and he's created table. Ah, and look, he's already gone and gone through it very properly, and he's already understood what is there. There's a turtle bot simulation in Gazebo. That guy has not done any of this. Now, what am I supposed to understand? Are they both not using the same models? This one says DeepSeek Chat, and that one is DeepSeek Pro. V4 Pro. So V4 Pro is obviously the better model here. But then why this difference? You obviously can make out that guy is doing a better job. Hmm? Yeah. Oh God. No. Look. Started off with something. Plan complete. Status changed. overall project, what is this? Ross gazebo. ठीक है, so whatever. Ah, okay, shell description. Now he's giving us a display, which is fine. Hmm. Many, but now what code changes and this thing it will do? Okay, let's see. You say, yeah, plan approved. Make all planned code changes now. Let's see. Now what? Oh God, Jesus. So this fellow, if you have not given him that instruction that it is outside router, he'll go and change my code. Huh? Boss, I need to stop this guy. I don't know. It is doing some delegate task and all. Whereas, so what code changes are you doing, boss? We never asked you to do any code changes. This is just a documentation task, right? You're not supposed to go and do any code changes. Now it is saying I'll do some refactor, bug fixes. What bug fixes, boss? Thank you so much. We need to exit. Force exiting. Yeah, force exiting. Yeah, that's correct. That's the correct term. Interrupted during API call. Okay, and let's just say yes, approved. What does this guy do? So it is just saying the files to analyze. It is saying here files to analyze, and output will be what? Output will be this thing, returns flow docs or whatever, methods, params, flow docs, launching all three subagents in parallel. So at least it is giving you a feeling of comfort that as to what it's going to do, it is clear. I'm saying sub-agent assignments. These are my sub-agent assignments. It is very clearly saying that guy is trying to do some bug fix. We never told him to do any bug fix, right? See, see, very clearly he's saying now this is running. Each will do this thing. So obviously, this is this is a much more comfortable situation to be in with OpenClaw. And this is not the first time I'm using OpenClaw. For certain similar things, I've been using it quite extensively, and that also earlier with Anthropic models, not with DeepSeek, and it gives amazing performance. Yeah, see, it's getting everything done. I don't necessarily need this, so what I'll do is I'll just kill. I don't care right now, but see what it documented. Hmm, yeah, look at that. I totally love this guy. So yeah, see, mm, no, I don't know. We went back in time. Those are my earlier ones, which I don't want to now show. So, but this guy is amazing. I don't know how he does this, whereas the model is the same. I don't really know what is running in the background, which makes it so much better. And people talk about it as a gateway. Uh, so people are not really appreciating the LLM harness part of it, the coding agent part of it. People are on and on about OpenClaw as a gateway. So we are not using any gateway part of it, right? So, but I'm pretty much sure if I go into any of these right now, they'll be written quite properly and done quite properly. Let's try. Uh, where exactly did I give it that? Right. So OpenClaw dir, and within OpenClaw dir, that's the execution plan. Hmm. And I think this is the within this dir only, right? Yeah, there it is. See, done properly. And that other guy, I'm so sorry to be kind of just got the. I think we stopped it, right? Did not allow it to execute. This is the logs it is creating. Look at this. There's a big difference between these two and what is happening here. Hmm? Anyway, so the first impression is very bad.